Come on, you guys. Howard, come on. Come on. Let's go. No, come on, you guys go. You don't have to walk right behind me.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm using this as evidence someday when you guys are grown up that you guys were once incredibly dorky.
Are you taking a video? Ram hand!
Your brothers are so weird. Hey, no. You guys, no. Don't walk through the mannequins. Do your dance one more time.